All right, part two of the lines tutorial. We are going to create a shape and apply a feature to it using the line tool to create our shape. All right, let's get started. All right, said it again, didn't I? All right, I'm stuck on the word all right today. New sketch. So create sketch. Now this time, visualizing the shape. Let me show you what we're going to draw approximately. Okay, just a little shape with some arc to it, a little knob on top. And looking at that and how we're going to apply it, we're going to start or use our sketch, create our sketch on the front back plane, okay? The XY plane. So click on the front back. Let's open the line tool. Actually, let's pan screen down. Escape to get out. Pan tool, open the line tool. Click on the origin. Let's go 75 millimeters, 90 degrees. Click. Now let's go over 5 millimeters. Click. Now let's put a little arc right here. Click. Now let's put a second arc in. And we're creating a slope down on our knob and then a little groove that will go around the shape of our design. And let's come over 5 millimeters. Let me undo that. I clicked once in there. Open the line tool again. Start from my endpoint, 5 millimeters. Click. Let's come down 5. Click. Now click and hold, create an arc down. And come down to the grid there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Click. Now straight down. Click. And back to the origin. Click. All right. Escape out of the line. So I missed a little something. I should have an edge here. So I'm going to click on this line, click and drag, and I'm going to bring it out and flatten this out a little bit. That looks pretty good right there. Okay. So I altered my design a bit. All right, so we've got the basic shape we're looking for. Let's finish sketch. Yours does not have to be perfect, okay? Exactly in the points of mind. Just make sure it's close. Now, see how we're oriented on the screen. If we turn to the front, notice how I click on my view cube. There's my home. And zoom in and out by wheeling my mouse. If I go to the front, I see that there's the profile of my shape. This is going to be the center axis that we create this shape from. You'll understand what that means more in just a second. This is going to be the cap. This is the trough that runs around the cap. This finishes up the top section. We arc it down, give a straight edge on the bottom, and connect. Let's go back to the home position. Zoom out. Now, our menu is different than our sketch menu. That's because we're now in the design mode, okay? We finished our sketch, got out of sketch mode, our navigation changes. We still have create, but we have a different set of tools under create. And under create, I'm going to hit the drop down and I'm going to use the revolve tool. Okay, so click on revolve and I get the revolve palette up here. I want my profile selected. Okay, so I'm going to click on the select option for profile and I'm going to click on my shape. Now I'm going to unselect axis. Whatever that did there, I think it selected this as the axis. I'm not sure. But I'm going to select my axis as what went up the Y axis here. So let's activate the select. Let's choose this line right there. That looks better. Okay, I'm going to go a full 360 degrees around. I could do 180 if I wanted. We're going to create a new body with it. All right, and everything looks good. Click OK. All right, go to the front. See the profile. There's our cap. There's our edge, top edge. We slope down. Straight edge at the bottom. I can grab my view cube. Left side obviously is going to be the same. There's my home. You see the groove. Rotate it around. The bottom is smooth. Now, if I were doing the design, I might soften these edges a little bit. So I might go fillet tool. We saw the fillet tool in our sketching mode back in the introduction to sketching. The fillet tool, for some reason, they've used the title fillet twice. There's also a fillet tool, a separate fillet tool in the design mode. So I'm going to use the fillet tool in design mode. I'm going to select this edge and let's give it a 1 millimeter. Yeah, and it'll just soften up that edge. I'm going to do it again to the bottom. Let's give it a 3 millimeter down here. Click OK. Just softens those corners a little bit. And there's our design. Remember, follow the design. You should have followed me in class. If you're not in class, you'll follow the video. Take your screenshot from home position. So I'm going to go home, take your screenshot, and submit your screenshot. Be sure to include your initials up here in the top right. If not, your grade will not be good. All right, have a good day, and that's the end of this tutorial.